How to change the address in Shopee after shipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the address in Shopee after shipping. Open your web browser and type in shopee.co in the search bar. Once you're on the Shopee website, look for the username option and click on it. From there, you should see a menu or drop-down list. Look for and click on My Purchase. Now, you'll be directed to your shopping cart. Take a look at your items and make sure everything is as you want. Keep an eye out for any promotions or discounts on shopping. You'll get to see a lot of discounts on Shopee, so take advantage of it if it applies to your purchase. Once you're ready to proceed, click on the Checkout button. On the checkout page, you will need to enter your full name and phone number. Next, you will see fields to enter your province, city, district, and postal code. Finally, click on the Submit button to complete your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified when new videos. See you in the next one.